caught in a situation where a young girl, there was a situation. I don't want to raise the curtains on that one. I want to bring him in so that he can tell us everything that happened. And then, a few of life lessons that we have to learn from, which is what the program stands for. So whatever you're coming to hear today, as usual, is true life encounters, true life story, something that has actually happened. It's not that Kotiko it is something that has happened. Boss, welcome onto the show.
Hey, thank you.
Hello. Hello. So my boss is greeting all of us. My boss wants to go to the Chiwe, so we'll maintain the Chiwe. Boss, Patona will say, Abrabomusam,
Abrabomusam, easy. Near a happiness, say, okay. I am Mama entry and Poissy. I am one. Okay. And Ramifa, Baba will be Palacra, bear 18 years.
Okay.
Around down smart. I'm the call Papina.
Okay.
Now, what's some cabin may need to come or quite or soon baby or okay. Only baby or say, and no poor hotel between at the map.
Okay.
Now, me searching a mess and then go to air quiet, commodity. That was an awkward down. So, we see, maybe on social media. Now, on any didn't call a man as open. Okay. The man is open, the man who said no more on unity. Into the man is sending his castle and finding it. Or unity, we are Nippon or ye trino, Sika Obedience so, or catch a beman is sending him. Into because of says, car bear 100 cities and not 200 cities are beman descending it. Or friend is a beman friend is a umbra. And pounds so quality. Eh, na just so be ko nti be man o ka start na kwala so su be man so mo nsu no onye ni pabone ni onye ritualist o say ah eduma be no e na be man so okay sada ba fi na guy no the Nigeria ni abranti enye say bia Nigeria fo nya na tisa okay sa particular be man no e Nigeria so be fi na onne bi di nkomo so onne di nkomo na e be hu abusani mame but omo bu say eduma be na abranti ya so on the only and a ton phones or circle, but on the on ton phones. Now, the name one said, or say, on the drill we are on P. Hey, then man say on the drill we are on P. Nini and the Cossack cotton, but on the day of Shadams we are on P. Hey, no one said incident or kind. We are one shame, no, I said that be. No, I say on Bramestram. No, so I said, Besano, and I say, or not Madina, but. The son said, we are getting that's again this street in the Umbra, Cabinia side, what baby, tell baby. Or say, who soon remember if he is only in the fee, hotel or now, and I saw to be quiet. What's a Bram in the moon? And now, Mammy so cast, I was a mammy and carry mammy 7 columns. Hey, we are one shim. Then my own moon, or say on the Jumoy and on Pieria. Now, why be much I say? Say we are sway. San say I want rubber into Obia be use any means necessary. Obet me ukokuwa Obia nim so aku. Wow. No say bra many day or so obe worry me. Let me say what do you feel say was so manya 18 to 19 to 20 na say hey now see how power ready we ready or say me ready. Let me just say you must say o me try dey. Say now we get a phone because I find a tough phone in man also. On one at time, so you're sure say and say so what's my juma act of phone there meaning it's my juma they are home kakra yakopom mre so ene mrepa I didn't know say ora she say be ma bi so be ma osika bi nti no ko na say ko no kokun a be ne de no so bra ene say okay I say kwa okwe me a me driver ni kwa me suro ma me yam hyehyem ma ka betimi a sign and audio also young ko the go could do but me team anya the answer me or give me number because na the phone do okay so be friend but one frame so we I life listener make catch you no my one I no use so I say anya dia ehire nyina na yesika boko okay all that greatest it's not good it's a many what we say be ama usika 100 cities
yes that's the part now I saw me 100 cities in tea
oh now ko go tisi ya no okoye okohu ikra obini me ma me utifie me na ofre boy no say sisi okuma kwala bi no so to chip no twa obe den hu no o se mu try the picture obetimi akọ efi oman mu a ye hu ni bi because onye Ghana ni tibi dem ka che akwala no ka say okọ no so abrante de man nsu ama on no o man aduane a ma undi Okay. On make sure say more than ntena empa uncle rat them uncle hotel room. Until reception on can so one na uncle fee because me yam sheshe man me nim de besi de but me yam sheshe man no su you what if you do on no kasa no catch him say yam sheshe no na me so yam so I didn't na uncle back also no de mama uncle but still na yam sheshe
or you young and our body
anybody be brave but only slim
wow
koko baby 5.5 meters high
okay
oh yeah no I am one Mr. But me ama
patro kaka fatu
me ama Mr. near mammy no may you share money here
okay
and you be out of a mosika na just say or pell into a moscow I want you to be one a brow a Ghana said of Ghana 18 Kayaduma no brea no at Cisco be a winning and yakwa it's for a reason to know yes or the law into the be of person or discarded that down.
And this one it was just 100 cedis for the hair.
And surprisingly no what's the point the bear feed the crowd was the hair now and anything into on sunny or sunny. Yeah, quite me didn't go in not only Lord Fem.
Sir,
into Berman the sunny Boba money at the mammy. The pump so Ghana for almost I could say what dear. Now so get a whiskey. Listen to do real. Get one your strasso. Yes, be free.
Okay.
Sramwa, my friend, in your my one. In your my one.
But Obeka say, Sadi and so nama a money be going into this hookup and a shower business.
Yeah.
Because last time Madame Fubi Kajem said, Charlie Cisia, the number of ladies that are into this hookup and a shower, which is prostitution business, and
no correct.
Or Kajem say, even on this show, there are people that come on the show that tell me say it is alarming the hookup business. No,
too much.
A guy be catch me say on only girlfriend on natina. For he has been with the girl for a long time, not knowing the girl was a hookup girl. Yeah. He never knew until he started seeing messages of men. She had been doing business and a transaction.
It's true. But me find a nice lady, so decent and innocent. Oh, I say, Obeka just saw you, but who heard you?
Okay.
Who has me call me uncle, me call me offer, me papa so. Okay.
They use this thing I'm going to call because Rami uncle, but it was the hookup. Yeah. So they use the family as an excuse. Wow! So guys, this one I've never heard it before. This my boss just dropped something new. Boss, for real?
Yeah.
But your highlights on that side again.
Hookups, no. We say, usher them. Oh, fear, we didn't feel no mountain who be but to go home because Rami and Clubber.
Okay.
No, a far bag. On far bag, can see a fast a handbag, kids will be no. Address decently, no. Who named your way? Wow. It's a man. Location order that. Alpha boats, Alpha Uber, Alpha Yango. No.
It is alarming to say Siciano hookup business in there. And you most on a mofa mopa.
Yeah.
And Obi Kajem said most of them need a student.
It's true.
Yeah,
it's true.
You've had student encounters?
Yeah.
Can you?
I took it from.
Okay.
Around. Somewhere around Dodua. No, okay. Oba. And I'm the back.
Legon campus.
Yeah.
Wakohu Bema no Oba back.
Funny aspect of it is say now why not you say we say obi one more and now drivers no man careful obi one more catch you so me go inside the cofa diaba
okay
now we ja be ato we ja pace be ato
okay
thinking say e be any person to no call beba but okwa omba
which is student in sir
yeah into no yes sir me trainer omba and so say and you no die and nipa no call the channel
okay
Yes, I know my friend Nipano. Nipano, a question inside I say, or Babat, on by Miss Train Musica. And son of Bemano, every friend I catch and say, Nipana, drive on a train, Konakotian, and son over.
But before Uber, not then now,
I'm a businessman.
Buying and selling.
Yeah, and I'm a call Lome. Ecofa in Tyreba.
Oh, I see.
But to do about the time.
But then my business is because I think that's a lucrative.
Yeah, now a good my year for so long. Now, baby, I'm a 20 year old. Who drew to do that? Your service lane be on opposite Fidelity Bank. Service lane be on. Now, I
okay, please talk.
See, it's one idea on shop owner. No, been a workshop. Or they free the time is so expire no could be shop into the oba better than shop or say service living in India. But I quite remember say during the time of Ukovanda Payano that the same place now Kofobi sorry is but how I catch you say honum a government service lane nobody have right so I work hockey safe you're right but since I'm free in the Konya as a mayor new party by man, no sorry, I was sorry so many times. The alcohol court. It's in a Korean say court. Edge man say bishop and him. Went to meet me once. I traveled for so many years, more than 20 years.
And she's aware.
She said, she came and met us selling there before the shop on it one. No, but Ghana, who is Ghana, so this man for lawyer. What's and yet the crowd betting I did.
Bet me a defender.
Yeah, you know, yeah, no, Bianca, mine. No, so yeah, good lawyer.
That's how you lost the business.
Yeah, see, I pam every home, any part, 10. I pam in, so be any baby. Ghana, so you want to make us say, well, you say, okay, started driving it.
But this is your own car?
Okay.
And before I back on, where do you see Ghana in the next 5 years?
Ghana. Because anything is possible.
Okay.
I don't hope for anything bad.
Okay.
I'm praying, say, maybe I'm 24 to 20 a year.
Okay.
Because the economy, the driving economy more, the man and the boy petrol and the dollar. And a safer.
Okay.
But in fact, my drink cost safer some more. Safer boy cost safer boy in dollar.
Sir.
Safer boy in dollar. But my drink cost, sir.
Okay.
And a petrol, it is a petrol boy cost okay. Dollar boy cost okay. It's a benefit me tackle. Petrol seminar last year, finance minister very reduced budget. It's a normal can say vice negotiation be good for oil. So I hope you say ever far. It's any I say butter trade. Okay. MG good and also my own now price of oil now.
How about that?
I hope you say better.
But what election 2024 never no better about. Or what message are you looking for before you vote?
Oh, one thing I've come to realize is politicians are not to be trusted.
Okay.
They are not to be trusted. They say this thing, then the next day
they are doing different things.
Yeah.
So when they're coming to power, sweet tongue. When they get the power,
different.
They don't care anymore.
Okay.
Wow. Okay.
They will say, "And you munina."
Some are good. Some are good. Honestly, guys, some of the politicians are good.
I can say there are some politicians that are only good.
Can you mention their name? Praise them. Let's praise them.
Deputy Finance Minister.
Okay.
Abena Osayasa.
Okay.
Unimi.
Okay.
Mishanada.
Okay. But how do you know she's good?
Yeah, because MPO Etiwa East.
Okay.
I want to be free party in Tiho.
Okay.
But me see in somewhere we call Kroma or Mokan. Let's say or because or bad down.
To the grassroots.
2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, I say, I call in Crassi be one of me take it crow say, no, Conono could do come. Then near me beer, here, bits me up one.
She does all that.
Yeah.
Wow. So guys, I mean, what's her name again? Let's praise her.
Honorable Abena Sayasa.
So guys, if you're watching these videos, I mean, let's say a big thank you to Honorable Abena Sayasa, Deputy Minister for Finance. Yes. Oyoba, I keep saying that whatever men can do, women are doing it better. We the men don't want to face that truth, but it is the truth. I mean, shout out to the MP over there. God bless you for the good work we are doing. We praise all the politicians that are doing good job.
The other side, Honorable Kujitu Abrapa.
Okay. Also then why when we say
COVID time, and they were all year man constituents, and recently NAPCO appointees are more on the constituents. NAPCO program the back end. We make sure say obe pay dwuma mo.
Okay.
Meaning omo kon kotena fie. En kon san afenom san ko check up but ono ankasa use ni influence. Pay dwuma ma obia NAPCO appointees no nursing ni I was impressed. Nipa say no or constituents or dream say there be a youth in Beden. Ebenya dwuma.
So guys, he has praised one MP from MPP.
No, one from MPP,
one from NDC. Honorable Okujato Ablakwa, and then the woman Abena, and he's not doing politics. These are politicians that he knows or he thinks they are doing good job, and he said we should praise them. So I mean, we are praising these two politicians, and we pray that all the politicians will behave like them. Because honestly, the youth, it's not that the youth are mad. The youth just want policies to work, right?
Yeah.
The youth just want the system to work. Once the system is working, the youth don't care about the policy. Just make the system work.
That's
and he thinks these two politicians that he has mentioned, they are doing a yeoman's job and they deserve to be praised. You know the way we bash those that don't work too. When those that are working too, we have to praise them. So God bless these two politicians. My boss, you're not going to vote in 2024. This coming election, because almost everybody I picked tells me they are not going to vote. So that's why I started waiting. You are not going.
I'll vote.
Okay.
Because so what's the Kurumo now? Can say me nyansani intini ye shemra min kubia. And Jimmy for be shemra amount.
No, abi. What do you
so? Into me international mo be shemra ma me so.
You be participate.
Yes. I'll go and vote for somebody that I think.
I like your mentality. I like your mentality.
Me international mo be voting mama. No for be a member emaso. I'll help set the pen umbra.
I like your mentality. Okay, so before we go, Pacho to your phone. Now, yen summarization.
I put to me ma enuanum Ghana for and will be a would say. And say a woman send him a but kakra be yembon pani senya kopon. And then yes and pike one year juma. A juma is a pay for you.
So Ghana for Ghanaians, we pray a lot, but we don't work.
Yeah,
we sleep in churches. A friend was telling me today he was in one church and then they did service for 6 hours,
which is very wrong.
I asked him what was the pastor talking about. 6 hours. You have 24 hours and you spend 6 hours in the church.
And you sleep how many hours?
And how many hours? You see, I keep telling people that guys, let's face the fact. This thing, we have to be open-minded when it comes to certain conversation. God is God. God is the universe. He has this. This word didn't just come by mistake. But before you get the money you are asking for, you have to work so that God. Isn't not the same Bible that said there's no food for lazy man?
One thing anypa I observe on. The be me a Christian.
I'm also a
Presbyterian. So we are only one name in Ubuntu me plan.
Okay.
But in person be who say Nyankopon before yesu beba. Na owotu mi say obetime se ni padwen. But one funny to me and say ni padwen. Or ye practical aspect in which is my yesu buy. Eba be wu ye. Esa sorry manipa hu say o den onu nie owu sorry.
Yes.
Meaning say wo pade na bompire enye dwuma. Emma
you have to work towards it.
Yeah.
So you pray and work.
Yeah.
Right?
To say galamse ya be. Na wakwa ko je galamse size na bompire. Say nkofo adwen say obi en ho na adwen besesa.
I heard that people were praying for
galamse
mind.
Obi en ho na adwen besesa. Yesu o say manipa na nya we nua nsuo ne sɛ ya wonya nsuo no mu so opiska but busa wo sɛ wonya sika ne nsuo ne sɛ ya but me akran nsuo fra brocha
da bi da
ntimi nkran nsuo fra brocha ma ta ade nti na mama yen bo yen nsuo ho ban ade nti so na mpanifo no mo to agum na mo mboa ma yen ntimi stop ade na mo sɛ empire ntimi so galamsey da empire ntimi so. But
unfortunately no you can say empire money but you see I don't know Africa sometimes oh Jesus Christ
obroni ode asori ba he no oye adwuma more than time ode kwaso they be better sorry say yen adwuma. But
we spend all the days in the church and then work little thinking that that's how God is going to bless you.
Can you imagine say Ghana ho achi Ghana asori bia we sika gun account.
Yes,
asori bia we sika gun I didn't na nyame adwuma no ene say we be boa humanity.
Now we are not helping humanity. I'm telling you, we are not helping humanity, boss. Sure. We are not helping humanity. We are not helping each other. There's this thing that I said. Let's stand at the down there. I've seen the junction. Okay. There's this thing that I always say. The churches can help their members. We are not saying even help outsiders. Just help members.
Yeah.
You see, a member need help. Provide that help.
That's all.
If all churches can say, okay, how many men want to drive Uber in the church? Okay, there are 5. How much do you need? Take this money. Buy, let's say 40,000 or 35,000 can buy VIT. Yeah. Let's buy VIT 35 for each of you. 2 years time, bring the 35 and keep the car. Do you know the number of souls that will go to that church?
Everybody will go there. But they are not doing it.
The
money is in the bank.
Yes, the money is just there. Yeah, right. We can just go and just stand. The money is in the bank. And sometimes when you are talking about this, they say you are evil. When you're talking about this thing, they say you are evil. You are. But the reality is the reality, bro.
That is it.
The reality, sister. The reality is, Chairman. Oh dear.
The money is in the bank. They will not bring it out. So they are still taking it and put it in.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So guys, I mean, you've heard it from my boss. He has said his bit. We should be careful. Let's just be careful. He's not saying don't go to church. He's a Christian. I mean, he's a Presbyterian. But you have to work and pray. That's how it is. You don't pray and sleep and expect God to challenge. Man, I know they follow. Okay. On that note, my name is Dr. Sam. If you've watched this level, it means you love the show. YouTube is Ride and Chat. Please subscribe. TikTok is Ride and Chat. Instagram is Ride and Chat World. Let's continue to share true life experiences so that we can all learn from each other. God bless you for watching. It's bye-bye from me and my boss. Bye-bye.